Thank you, fellow seeker. First of all, I wanted to thank you for being a member of my tribe. From my heart to yours, thank you so much. I also wanted to let you know what I've been up to and why I've been incognito for several months. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I haven't been blogging or podcasting or even engaging in the newsletter. I just needed time to come back home to my true essence. I had created an environment where I had too many responsibilities within Seek Within You and outside of Seek Within You, and I needed to come home and reconnect myself. So I was guided by I Am, to release responsibilities. It was scary at first, but just knowing and trusting in that guidance, I just let go and just surrendered to it. And I'm so grateful that I did. I came back home to reconnect to nature, deepen my spiritual connection to I Am, and it has just been a profound change for me. As you can see, I'm out here in nature. I'm enjoying it. This is where I live. I live here in beautiful Sedona, out here in nature. That is one of the things I was guided to do. So I started tiny house living, and I'm out here with my kitties, out here in Sedona. I have one of my tiny homes. I actually have another one that I'm going to convert, soon to be converting. So you can follow me on my personal YouTube channel under my name, Shandula, and you can watch that progress. But right now I have my other tiny home, and we're out here and we're just enjoying being out in nature, away from the city life and the collective energy. So it's been really positive and really powerful. So I'm so grateful for that. And within all that time in that space, it has allowed me to rebrand the message for Seek Within You. And that new message is Embrace Your Spiritual Power. Now, of course, you've heard this before because my podcast is called Embrace Your Spiritual Power with I Am. But now this is going to be the central focus, the spiritual essence. The spiritual essence of who you are is the central focus of our message, okay? The fact that you are a spiritual being housed in this beautiful physical body and living in the creative world, that is the message. That is what we want to hone in on, right? Your deepened connection to your spiritual source, to your source, for that spiritual healing so that you can manifest the life that you desire. Okay? That is what we're about. And in that rebranding, we have created some new workshops, which I'm totally excited about. The first one being spiritual mastery in a creative world, right? Because this is still a creative world. And you, in order to really embrace your spiritual power, you need to understand that creative world. And so in this workshop, we're going to explore that. We're going to explore how you can connect more deeply to your source and so that you can understand when you are in alignment and when you're out of alignment. You can understand how you are creating the reality that you are creating more deeply than you have understood thus far. Okay? So please join me. The first one is in October. It's October 3rd, and I would love for you to join me for that workshop. We also have other ones here in Sedona as well as online. The next workshop is New Stories for Healing. And in that workshop, we talk about new stories. And stories are just everywhere. And how do you find that story for you? And how do you bring forth that story, your spiritual story, to help you transform to the next level? So I'm really, really excited about that story. That workshop is going to be super, super fun. So please join me for that, either here in Sedona or online. I would be forever grateful for that opportunity to meet you and help you to grow spiritually and heal physically and heal emotionally, okay? I would be so grateful for that. We also have a spiritual power program, which is a 4-month program offered online, and it is about, of course, embracing your spiritual power. But we start off, we set the foundation, We build upon that foundation. We help you with your stories. We give you intuitive guidance on nutrition, health, all aspects of it. You meet me, and I am, of course, every 2 weeks. We have our group coaching sessions. We have our private coaching sessions. We have all these wonderful workshops that are offered all in this Spiritual Power program. So if you want to join me in that, please check out my website, seekwithinyou.com, and explore how we may be of service to you. Now, I'm back in the game. I'm ready and refreshed and ready to engage you more to help you in your spiritual growth. So please look out for more videos. Follow me on YouTube, Seek Within You. Follow me on Instagram. Yes, I'm on Instagram now. I just joined this year. I know. But I was listening to my source, and when I was ready to join Instagram, I'm on there. I'm also on Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest. So you can join me on all or whatever ones that resonate with you. Okay? So I thank you again for being a part of my lovely tribe. And peace and love. Namaste.